Really, I had no news of that, but Sasanka says that he had no idea about the cost of that silver medal. Sasanka uncle looked at the 15 10 rupee note in his hands and looked at Aditya. There was completely new expression on his face. He said, Aditya, this smacks too much of charity, doesn't it? After getting that money in his hand, he has a very different expression and he says, asks to Aditya, he is saying to that Aditya that it smacks means putting something very forcefully. So, Aditya, this smacks too much of charity. Charity is helping others. So, they both are shocked. How did why they are shocked, you understand? How did Sasanka identify that he is Aditya? Till now Aditya has not revealed to Sasanka that he is that Aditya. We remained silent, peering intently at Aditya. They both are looking very curiously at Aditya. Sasanka Sanyal smiled and said, I had recognized you at Nagan uncle's tea shop by that mole on your right cheek. I could see you had not recognized me. So I recited the same poem that I had recited on the prize giving day on purpose so that you remember. Then, when you came to visit me, I couldn't help venting my anger on you. In this paragraph, peering means looking very curiously. Intently means focusing on something. Venting, last line. Venting means it is an expression, outlet. So now Sasanka Sanyal is saying that he had recognized Aditya in the Nagin uncle's tea shop itself by the mole on his cheek. But he found out that Aditya had not identified Sasanka. So, in order to make him remember about this incident, he stood there and recited the poem what he had already recited in before getting this medal. So as soon as how Aditya remembered this incident, only because after hearing that recitation he heard and he remembered his childhood incident. You have done the right thing. Your grievances are absolutely justified. But I will be happy if you accept the money, said Aditya. Now, Aditya is saying, whatever you have done is correct. Your grievances, your complaints, everything is reasonable. I accept your reason. And he is saying that he will be happy if Sasanka Sanyal accepts the money what Aditya is giving. Sasanka Sanyal shook his head and said, no money will be spent, soon be spent. I would have preferred to have the medal if it were possible. I would have forgotten that unpleasant incident of my childhood if I get the medal back. But unfortunately, what he is saying, Aditya thought that Sanyal will be happy with the money. But what he is saying, no, money will be spent. He is saying that I prefer only the medal. Only when I get the medal, I will be able to forget that unpleasant incident what had happened in my childhood days. So the medal that had been hidden in the attic for 29 years was eventually restored to its owner. Restored means given back. Finally, the owner of that medal got back the medal. Shriman Sasanka Sanyal, the special prize for recitation 1948, was still clearly engraved on it. So, on that medal, it was written as Shriman Sasanka Sanyal, special prize for recitation 1948. So, that is the end of the story, children, and this is translated from the Bengali story called Chilikota.